I wake as the sun touches stone, and Egypt awakens with me.
Before ruling men, I must be purified before the gods. When I enter, silence becomes law.
One word from me can spare a life, or erase it forever.
I do not walk alone. My presence reshapes every space I enter.
Foreign lands kneel not to me, but to the power Egypt represents.
Below my gaze lies a city that breathes by my command.
These offerings are not gifts. They are acknowledgments of order.
Below my gaze lies a city that breathes by my command.
If the floods fail, even gods will be questioned. My decision decides who eats and who waits.
My word opens the granaries, and hunger retreats for another day. They bow not to gold, but to the promise that their children will eat. Their voices rise like the river, lifting my name into the air.
They carry my body, but it is the crown that truly weighs upon them.
The sun stands high, and so does the weight of the crown. Even rest must bow to duty beneath this sun. I eat to endure the heat, not to escape my role.
Music cools the air, but not the burden I carry.
The sun watches as I step forward, measuring every man beneath it. Victory is not loud. It stands while the dust settles. I reward strength, so it may defend Egypt tomorrow.
Their voices rise as one, sworn to my command.
I walk among them, and Egypt stands in formation.
They raise their weapons, not to fight, but to honor my passing.
I leave the sound of shields behind, returning to stone and order. Within these walls, Egypt bends inward towards silence. Dust and sweat are washed away, but duty clings to the skin. The body is renewed, so the crown may rest easier. I eat in quiet, preparing for what the rest of the day demands.
The day nears its end, but Egypt still waits for my words. My final judgment shapes tomorrow, before night falls.
As the sun lowers, I walk toward the gods once more.
I send the sun to rest, so Egypt may see another dawn. The sun touches the edge of the world, and Egypt holds its breath.
I release the sun to its journey through the unseen.
Twilight follows me back, towards stone and shadow.
My body prepares for rest, My mind does not.
I lie upon stone and cloth, while Egypt breathes beyond these walls.
Above the palace, the stars keep their ancient watch.
Tomorrow, the sun will rise, and I will rise with it.